Hi, I'm Dr. Michelle Lee, a board-certified ophthalmologist, and today I'm going to talk about some of my favorite over-the-counter dry eye medications. There are so many different types of dry eye, so it would be impossible for me to give you the one dry eye medication that would work for everybody, but here are some of the ones that I recommend to my patients and even use myself. Every patient with any degree and any type of dry eye would benefit from preservative-free artificial tears. Artificial tears are saline drops that have the sole purpose of lubricating the eye. I always prefer preservative-free artificial tears because many artificial tears in bottles have preservatives that can be toxic to the cornea and may even worsen dryness in the long term. Most preservative-free tears come in little individual daily use vials that need to be thrown out after use and just feel wasteful. So my new favorite dry eye drops are those that come in a preservative-free bottle. Scottsdale by Alcon makes a nice line of artificial tears in general, but I am very excited that there is now a preservative-free bottle of Scottsdale Complete, which is a fantastic formulation that is very effective for lubricating the eyes. The bottle features a one-way valve that prevents contaminated liquid from re-entering the container. The company calls this design Pure Flow and says that it eliminates the need for preservatives. The bottle is really easy to use and I feel like I'm helping the environment. Refresh Relieva Preservative Free by Allergan comes in a bottle and is also a favorite of mine to recommend for patients. This formulation has a patented hydrocell technology and is marketed towards sensitive eyes and to be used after LASIK surgery. Because of the versatility and simplicity of this drop, I would recommend it to almost every type of dry eye patient. Another great preservative-free tier is Refresh Plus. I will always be partial to this OG simple formulation. That is the most cost-effective option for a preservative-free tier, especially if you have a Costco membership. And at our local Costco, as of 2022, the price of 100 vials is $21.99, which comes down to less than 22 cents per vial. I haven't seen a better price anywhere else. This is also a formulation that would work well on every type of dry eye. Refresh Mega 3 is a special tier formulation with added flaxseed oil. I recommend this formulation to those who can make tears but have little oil in their tear film due to blocked oil glands. This formulation with the added flaxseed oil can help with tear film stabilization and may help keep tears in the eyes for longer. My favorite over-the-counter nighttime ointment to recommend is Retain PM. This ointment is preservative-free and is incredibly lubricating and comfortable to use while asleep. You just need to put a little bit of this in the eye, about the size of a grain of rice, in the pocket between the eye and the eyelid. I always recommend a preservative-free nighttime ointment to any patient who sleeps with eyes open, wakes up with worse dry eye in the morning, and to any patient who sleeps with a fan or a CPAP machine in order to protect the eyes. Ointments are also great for certain cornea and eyelid conditions as a way to cover and protect the eye. Do you have a favorite over-the-counter dry eye drop? Let me know in the comments below. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week where we talk about my favorite prescription dry eye drops. See you in my next video. Bye!